In Bhakti Marg, Anand is the goal. Happiness. And Nitya. Jiva Sachiran. Sat. Sat Jiva. Sat Bhagavan, Sat Jiva. Only this Maya Jagat and this Sharir is Anitya. So how to get that Anand, how to get that Mukti, how to get that eternal position, it's all because of Vyasadeva and his representative. If you're coming in Gyan Marg, his representative is the Guru from Gyan Marg. So every Guru is representing the Karuna of Vyasadeva and the Karuna of Bhagavan. So this is like we say, this is a day to thank. It's not only a day to worship Guru, because Guru is given diksha. The Guru is given knowledge. He's given me. What does the Guru give? The Guru gives eternal life and eternal happiness. Because this is the gift of Vyasadeva. So, and that gift was coming through the Shruti, and you were the Shrota. You would listen. Now that gift, that Shruti is in the Granth, in the Pushtak, Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam.